Google Team Drive is a shared space where teams can store and share their files and folders. Start by selecting the emails you'd like to save to Google Team Drive. Once you've selected your emails, a Google Drive icon will appear. After clicking this icon, we can choose how we want to save our emails, saving each conversation to a separate PDF file, merging all conversations into one PDF file, saving only attachments, or backing up the entire account to Google Drive. I'll demonstrate how to save your emails as separate PDF files. Select your Team Drives folder, select your team folder, and click Save. Success! Your emails have been saved to Google Team Drive. You can click this to view your Team Drive, and now your team can access these emails. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.